stop hanging up on me.
Nah, look, I ain't got time to be playing your games.
Yeah, boy, I ain't playing no games.
Who is this?
This is Jim.
Jim?
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Jim, what you want?
I want my burger. I want a free burger.
You want a free burger?
Yeah. My other burger had pube in it. And semen.
The burger has pubic hair and semen.
Yeah, what you doing back there? You fucking burgers?
What time? No, we gotta come out the brother. What time was this, sir?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Well, why is you just waiting to call and tell us about this now?
Because I called 5 times, nobody answer.
We probably was busy at that time. Why you ain't come back at 9 o'clock?
Cause I was embarrassed.
You was embarrassed?
I almost ate it. I got 3 bites taken out.
Oh, you got 3 bites taken out?
Yeah, I almost ate it. It's gross.
But sir, at 9 o'clock...
Ma'am. I am a ma'am.
Sir, I have a line in my drive-thru right now, but you can come back through and bring your burger or whatever.
Go do your line, hood boy.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, hood boy.
Who?
Hood boy.
Man, look.
Man, look.
Thanks for calling Burger King. How can I help you?
Yeah, I had pubic hair on my burger.
Okay, well, you're welcome to bring the burger back in the morning when the store is open. Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Psych.